To adjust pressure on the CPS 185, gently pull up the regulator adjustment knob to release the vibration locking detent. Next, turn the dial knob counterclockwise to lower the system pressure, or clockwise to raise the system pressure. When the desired pressure is reached, press down gently on the knob to re-engage the vibration lock. Adjustments should be made with the unit running and discharge valves closed to approximately 15 psi above desired working pressure. With the unit running with the valves closed, system pressure should ideally be between 95 and 125 psi and should not be set below 60 psi or above 125 psi. Please refer to the unit's instruction manual for additional information.